Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you wireless CarPlay and Android Auto installed on Lexus RX350 2018. This is an integration to the factory screen. This is our 12-inch screen, and all the controls are done from the factory controller, from the factory mouse, and also using the factory auxiliary and the factory mic, so no add-on, nothing external. So we're going to hold the menu button. I'm gonna go into our CarPlay. So we already have the maps on the CarPlay. We're gonna just go into our voice command, for example. Okay. Navigate to Tim Horton.
Showing results for Tim Horton.
Okay, as you can see it here, we have all the musics and everything in here. We can pretty much control and go back from the controller. We can go to our home page in here. Okay, oh, we have some music playing. Back. And this is your home page. Okay, pretty much got everything here on the factory screen. Okay, for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for Lexus, it's available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel. If you want to purchase the product, we also have it on the link down on the bottom. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.